future millionaires. My name is Mr. Crypto. Welcome to today's edition of CNN Network. Here at CNN, we'll be bringing you all the latest cryptocurrency news, unedited, unbiased, and unfiltered. So guys, if you like what you see, please smash that like button and subscribe. Turn on all your notifications for all latest news. So with all that being said, let's get going. Okay. Hope you're feeling well and good out there, people. Okay, quick look on what we're going to be going through today on a quick one. US dominates global Bitcoin hash rate after China crackdown. TikTok's first NFT collection auction goes live, featuring rapper Curtis Roach. And we'll be looking at the relative unrealized profit and loss. So today we'll just start off on the market quickly. 2.363, we're down 1.9%. So it's a little bit of a drop, but nothing major. 24-hour volume 132 billion, with a Bitcoin dominance of 43%, 43.8 to be precise. So it's not that bad. We've had a little bit of a drop. No change in the top 10. Everything's still in the same position. If you look down the right, it's a mainly mixed day today. Nothing's really moving, but the main thing is that Bitcoin is holding its price, 55. So as long as we hold above 50, we should be alright for the short term. We'll go on to the charts in a second. So starting off, US dominates global Bitcoin hash rate distribution after China crackdown. So if you're not aware, China's actually banned the production of Bitcoin mining. They say it's because of environmental issues, but the main reason is because they want to drive their citizens towards the China's new digital yuan that they're trying to get out. So they're trying to get out their own central bank digital currency, which will obviously, if you know about China, is they're all about control. So if they get all their citizens onto this digital yuan, they will know exactly what they're spending their money on, and it will further add a layer of control into China's economy. So it's not looking very good for the Chinese people, because that will obviously they can't use Bitcoin, so they will have to use China's government coin basically, which further oppresses them. US are now taking over, and they are now the leaders in Bitcoin production. So the US now accounts for more than a third of the total Bitcoin mining activity, with Kazakhstan and Russia also becoming major locations. Following sweeping crackdowns by China against Bitcoin mining activity, the US state has now emerged as the leading nation in terms of hash rate. According to the Cambridge Bitcoin Electricity Consumption Index, Bitcoin miners in the US account for 35.4% of the total global rate. The CBECI data also shows Kazakhstan 18% and Russia 11% as the next major Bitcoin mining centers outside the United States. These three nations have gained significant market share in the wake of China's crypto mining ban. Back in June, Cointelegraph reported that BTC.com, one of the largest Bitcoin Chinese miners, was relocated to Kazakhstan. So they do have a little bit of a presence. They've moved to Kazakhstan, which is I think north of China, but their actual production rate has actually dropped to basically a negative rate at the moment. They've gone from being the leaders to the zero. Here we go. Perhaps a particular interest is the fact that CBECI data shows that as zero hash rate from China. See, so you can see they've gone from being the top to the bottom. So it's going to be basically gone underground right now. It's gone into hiding. There'll probably be a few little shady places, but that's about it. So that's good news for America. Next, we've got TikTok's first NFT collection auction goes live, featuring rapper Curtis Roach. So this is very bullish for NFTs. As you're probably aware, TikTok has surpassed Instagram in usage, and it's very vastly more popular. So now the NFTs have become available on there. That's only going to be greater for main adoption. Popular short video app TikTok has started its non-fungible token NFT auction of TikTok favorite moments that feature work of a series of rappers and artists as social media giant appears keen to jump on the NFT bandwagon. The auction of Detroit rapper Curtis Roach's Board in the House NFT has gone live, and the highest bid of Wednesday afternoon's Asia time was sitting at 6.5 ETH, about $24,000. Earlier this month, TikTok launched its first creator NFT collection, TikTok Moments. TikTok provides a way for creators to be recognized and rewarded for their content. So basically now the money will go straight to the artist because it's going to be on an NFT, which will go directly to the artist's wallet. It's a very good way of basically getting the NFTs out into the main adoption. So do check this out, people, and it's very bullish for NFTs. This is very good news for the crypto space in the general. So down to the relative unrealized profit and loss. Now, a lot of you guys probably won't know that this signifies the end of the bull run. When we actually get to here, which is the red line, let me just zoom in for you. When we get to here, this is the greed area. This actually signifies the end of the bull run. This is back in 2017, we had the peak here, and then we hit that, and then we went down to the bear market. Same here. Oh no, let me zoom out for you guys. Yeah, right. So yeah, the 17 bull run. Yeah, 13 bull run. You can see each time pink area. This was the double top that we had in 2013. This is what we're basically going to do this period, or this is what is projected to happen. We had our first peak back in May, we dropped, and now we're around here. I'll show you when we move on to here. See, this is our first peak, and now we've dropped down, so we are projected to come back up here and touch this pink area, and this will be the area to sell. As soon as you start seeing it touch this pink area, you do want to sell. As you can see, back in 2018, as soon as you hit it, that's it, bear market. As soon as you hit it here, 2013-14, bear market. So this is a very, very good indicator, people, of what's actually happening. This does tally up with our crypto fear and greed index. So you can see here, same thing, 2020, bear market. 2018, when you hit the fear, the most fear, bang, bear market. This is here, extreme greed, fear and greed. So as it goes up in the greed, it goes up there. The greed obviously relates to here, this area. Yeah, so if you understand where I'm coming from, as soon as the greed goes up to there, this is when you want to sell. So do keep an eye on that. All right, so finishing off a little bit of the market where we are. Let's have a little look for you so you can see this actual these peaks. Let's have a quick look. All right, so remember I just showed you the peak there. This is what corresponds with it. That's the first peak, that's the second peak, that's the drop. That was 2017. You sort of had a mini double peak, and then it hit the top. This area here is the greed area, which relates to the chart I just showed you, and this bit here relates to where we are now. So we do need to go. We're going to clear a one for you. Yeah, so this is a clearer one. As you can see, we're here now. We do want to go just a little bit up here, hit there, that's the greed area, and then down. This white line is where I've projected it to go. So I'm just going to keep an eye on that. So let's see if we actually get to here. This red line here, that's where I project it to end up. So yeah, having a quick look at the 1 day. Oh, no, let's go on the 1 hour. Okay, so looking at the 1 hour, where we was yesterday, I was predicting it would bounce off here and continue, but we did actually drop below it, and now you can see we're being held below it now, so we do need to get back on top so we can get back to continuing this. You can see on the RSI as well, we are steadily coming back up. We've broken this line here of resistance. This was working as support, but now all we need to do is back test it. If we back test it like this, hopefully we can back test it and then start climbing up again. So keep an eye on that. What else do we got on the bigger scale? Right, on the bigger scale, on the 1 day, well, this is where we was back in the Elon Musk dump, and this is when things started to go really bad. So we are currently just about where things started to go to shit. So if we can just get above this level here, which is 64,000, the bull run should be back on and things should be springing back up. We do need to hit this 618. This is what we're searching for here. This is the next golden pocket, the 1.6618. If we can get to this, we should be in clear skies. Let's have a look on the weekly. So yeah, we are holding the MA, so that's very good. They have ticked upwards, as you can see. We'll get a bit closer. Oops. As you can see, they've both ticked upwards, which is bullish. This is very good. So as long as we can keep going up, now we've had 1, 2, 3 weeks of positive action. Yeah, and if you can see, we are printing a giant cup and handle pattern here. That was a bit bad. Do it again. Giant cup and handle here. Yeah. So if you measure that move of the break is around here. Yeah. Measure that move to the bottom. We've got a technical target of around 70,000. Yeah. So if that plays out, should be very good. That is the technical target there. As you can see, that large cup and handle pattern. I think it actually even shows on the bigger time frame. We'll have a look. Yeah, you're actually printing it on the monthly as well, which is good. You see the big there. So we may have a little dump and then straight up again, or this could be the cup, the little handle, and then straight up. But yeah, things are looking good. Once we break this little line here, it's going to be clear skies. So yeah, keep an eye, people. We'll keep you informed. If you've enjoyed today's session, please leave a like and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend, and we'll see you on tomorrow's edition. Bye bye.